Yes, the Plymouth Electron Microscopy Centre has been successfully equipped with new microscopes to fulfil a requirement to support local businesses in the community. From a wide range including electronics, food science, composites and engineering aspects, and a few other smaller businesses that most people wouldn't expect would need electron microscopes.
It's not just the small stuff though. We've worked with companies that have been developing new materials which are being used with the European Space Agency. So we've had lots of farms come in wanting to look at milk production, quality, storage of milks, cheeses, ice cream, a whole range of dairy products, and we've been able to do that with the equipment that was purchased with the last funding.
Without the funding, we'd still be using 20-year-old microscopes. Okay, so the one with the pictures on in the background there is a highly sophisticated modern electron microscope called a scanning electron microscope that produces images of surfaces of materials. With the funding capability, it was a fantastic opportunity for the university and for local companies too.
The Electron Microscopy Centre just wouldn't be what it is today if it wasn't for the EU funding and the continued funding that we're getting to help us support businesses and the academics within Plymouth University as well.